Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to start class 9th, chapter 6, lines and angles. So before we start with the chapter, let us revise few points related to this chapter. The very first point says, line with two end point is called a line segment. यानी जब दो पॉइंट दे रखे हमें, that is A and B, अगर हम उनमें लाइन ड्रॉ कर देते हैं, this is known as line segment. ये लाइन सेगमेंट फर्दर एक्सटेंड नहीं हो सकते. यस, सो दिस इज लाइन सेगमेंट. ओके, पार्ट ऑफ अ लाइन विथ वन एंड पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड अ रे. ए इज द एंड पॉइंट और यहां से वो एक्सटेंड हो सकता है, बट ए से यस अदर साइड पे एक्सटेंड नहीं हो सकता है. जस्ट इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ए and can go endlessly in one direction only. That is a ray. If three or more points lie on the same line, they are called collinear points. यानी एक लाइन है हमारे पास, उसके अंदर A, B, C and D. These are the points which lie on it. Yes, so it is known as collinear points. If two or more points do not lie on the same line, they are called non-collinear points. We can see here, हमें एक लाइन दे रखी है, B is on the line, then A, C and D लाइन के exterior points है. Yes, they are not on the line, so this are known as non-collinear points. Now intersecting lines. Two lines are said to be intersecting lines if they have only one common points. This common point is known as their point of intersection. यानी हम क्या कहना चाहते हैं? Yes, AB and CD. This is a line. Yes, AB is one, CD is the other. एक पॉइंट पे आके वो मीट करते हैं, दैट इज इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट, जिसको हमने नेम दिया है O. यस, सो वी कैन से दैट लाइन AB एंड CD intersect at point O. So this is intersecting point. Parallel lines. Two or more straight lines. Parallel lines. Two or more straight lines are said to be parallel to each other. Yes, if they are in the same plane and do not meet when produced on either sides. So हम क्या कह रहे हैं? Yes, if they are in the same plane and do not meet when produced on the either side. तो दो lines है, that is L and M. Yes, we can see here, एक ही डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं, बट दे कैन नॉट मीट like the railway tracks. Yes, so these two ends cannot meet at any point. So this is known as parallel, और parallel का हम symbol करते हैं, yes, like this. So L is parallel to M. Now co-current lines. Three or more lines are said to be co-current if all the lines pass through the same common point. अब मान के चलो हमारे पास एक पॉइंट दे रखा है, दैट इज O, और उसमें से यस A, B, C, D, D, E, E, F, the lines are passing on. We can see here AD, yes, EB, CF. These are the lines which pass to one single point. और अगर एक पॉइंट है ना, उसमें से many numbers of line can pass through it. It's not compulsory कि one point में से 1 या 2 या 3 ही line pass हो सकती. If one point is given, many lines can pass. But अगर दो points है, तो just one and only one line can pass through it. Okay? An angle is formed when two rays originate from the same end Rays making an angles are called arms of the angle and the end point is called vertex of the angle. Yes, we can see here AOB, this is the angle. O क्या है? OA and OB, these are the two rays. ये दो rays मिलके एक angle form कर दिया. So O is a vertex, जहाँ पे ये दोनों rays meet करती है, that is known as vertex of it. And OA and OB क्या है? इसके arms हैं. These are the rays which we say as arms. Now let us revise types of angles. Yes, we are having right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, complementary angle, supplementary angle, reflex angle. So many different types of angles are there. Yes, as we are studying related to lines and angles, तो angles को तो पढ़ना बनता है हमारा. So let us revise related to angles. अभी तक हमने lines को revise करा. Now we will revise related to the angles. Now right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degree is called a right angle. हम देख सकते हैं angle AOB. Yes, the total is of 90 degree. Yes, so this is the angle which is having 90 degree और उसको हम कहते हैं right angle. Acute angle, an angle whose measure yes lies between 0 degree and 90 degree is called an acute angle. So it will be always less than 90 but more than 0. Okay, so it can be 65, 25, 45, 75, 85 but not 90. Okay, obtuse angle, an angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 is called an obtuse angle. So angle AOB is obtuse. 90 डिग्री का कैसे होगा? स्ट्रेट लाइन आ जाएगी. Yes, but it is more than 90 degree, so it makes an obtuse angle. Straight angle, an angle whose measure is 180 is called a straight angle. We can see here बिल्कुल straight line है. Yes, this is a center, so always we have to mark a curve and write it down 180. Yes, straight angle का हमेशा 180 होता है. Now we'll study reflex angle. An angle whose measure is more than 180 but less than 360 is called a reflex angle. है ना? अब आप देख सकते हो हमने कर्व कहाँ करे हैं? बाहर. To show the angle we have done here. So this is AOB and here the marking shows that it is a reflex angle. Okay? Complementary angle, two angles whose sum is 90 degree are called complementary angles. Like angle AOC and COB. Yes, जब हम इन दो angles को add करेंगे तो we'll get complementary angle. As we can see, yes, AOB is of 90 degree और C जो है, yes, इस angle को cut करते हैं तो we'll get two complementary angles and the sum of two complementary angle is always 90 degree. Now supplementary angle. Two angles whose sum is 180 degree are called supplementary angles. है ना? यानी कि दो ऐसे angles. पहले हम देख सकते हैं that AOB is a straight angle. Yes, recently we studied that straight angle total is of 180 degree. इसका मतलब है AOC and COB को अगर हम add करते हैं so it will become of 180 degree.